Okay, so he's not getting on?
He's not responding to my text, I don't know.
Oh, shit. Hello! It's me, Mons, the Spice War, back at it again with another episode recap. On the last episode of SPEDCORE, Jesus became the Pumpkin. TB and Monzer bickered over priorities, and Monzer fell and couldn't get up. Was mining for more diamonds a good idea? Find out on this episode of SPEDCORE. Also, SatchD is back! Yay!
Yeah, you say he's fine and then he dies.
He dies right now.
Hey, buddy, I'm stuck on the door, what the fuck? Max, help. Max, I'm stuck. Oh, okay.
No, you're not.
Ooh, I got more stack.
Watch this. Try not to get satisfied compilation.
Okay.
Who's the thief?
The food thief.
It's the Satchel.
Yeah.
Satchel!
Satchel, I love you.
Hey.
Should I be the milkman?
Whoever made the beds forgot to add a bed for Satchel.
He doesn't need to sleep.
Yes, I need to sleep. Are you insane?
No, guys, Satchel is eternal. Doesn't need to sleep.
It's nocturnal.
Sleep is for the weak.
And no, I'm not nocturnal.
Wait,
No,
Max,
no,
if you're going strip mining,
Max.
can you bring Satchel with you?
Okay, Satchel, follow me. Oh,
This
okay,
is so cool. I wish I could really lock down this.
Yeah, I know, but be cautious.
Hello.
I love Satchel.
Thank you.
Let sleep. Oh my god, Logan, why?
What? Oh, Jesus Christ.
I did it.
Oh, wait, press E. Okay, now scroll. You use your mouse scroll. Change through your objects.
Yeah, but like, where did you guys go to get to the mine shaft?
Creeper. Where are you, Sander?
Please don't
There's a
die.
creeper up here.
Please don't die.
Exclusion.
Careful.
Exclusion. Finally goes. I go strip mining.
Sander, watch out! How many hearts did you lose there?
2.
There's also a
Who's
creeper.
Where?
Down here.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, can you do that real quick? Oh, creeper! Watch out! There's 2. Can you watch my back?
Behind you.
Crap. Oh shit.
Fuck. Dude, we can't get cornered.
Dude, there's a baby on me.
Help.
Here's okay.
Help. I'm shielding. Keep getting him.
Shit.
Just keep leading him away.
Oh my god, this is bad.
I'm safe.
This is bad.
I'm good.
I'm not good. I have 2 hearts. Help.
Where are you?
Shit.
Alright, I'm recording.
Run.
Shit, I have 1 heart.
No.
I don't want to record.
No,
first.
shit.
Please.
Coming down.
Where are you running? Shit. No.
I have 1 heart myself. I'm
I'm gonna die.
No.
Alright, that's some lava. There goes our second casualty.
the more we mine, the more we're gonna die to random shit like this. Yeah, well, come on. If Thomas hadn't went down the mine, he wouldn't have died. Oh yeah, if you didn't know this, Thomas died, so that's why he's not here.
Yeah. Poor Thomas.
I thought he'd be one of the last ones. Like that's.
Okay. I escaped. I'm fine.
Okay, so statistically, I'm gonna be next. So oh well. It's been nice knowing you guys.
You know what's kind of weird though?
What?
He died doing pretty much what you did. Like you know how you like kind of tried to run away and jump somewhere?
Yeah.
He did that, and that's what killed him. All right, whoever wants to make the sign, there we go.
Yeah, make another cobble.
Sign.
Okay.
It's close sign. How am I supposed to open the
Did we
door?
ask him?
Time for his eulogy. I told you so. Oh no.
Who made the second retard sign?
Oh me. I want to be like a running theme. You guys are going nether.
Yeah, let's go. I gotta finish getting rid of all this stuff in inventory.
Too late. I'm in.
Wait, you're going in?
I'm in the nether.
Hey, Satchel, do you want to go in nether?
Sure, just tell me how I'm supposed to do it.
You guys, Sander's cursed.
What?
Yes, everyone who mines alone with Sander dies.
Hey guys, how am I supposed to open the door?
Right click.
Hey, Sad. No, Sad can't go to the nether.
No, he's going with us.
He's going to die.
He's giving me good luck.
He's giving us hope in this dark and dreary time.
We need him.
What you reading there? How do I give you something that belongs to me?
There you go.
Hey, guys,
Thanks, Sad.
we should all give
You're welcome, sir. I'll do anything for you.
Staying somewhere, not wanting to...
Satchel.
What?
Whatever you do not click the pigment, okay?
Satchel.
What?
Don't click the pigment, okay?
What? What is it?
Okay, don't worry, guys. Don't go in yet. We're coming in.
I got my shield.
Yeah, hold your shield.
Over here, Satchel, right here.
I took out one as well, so.
I have everything.
Alright, let's go.
Go, ready?
Satchel, I'll give you a couple more.
Alright, we need to go put this netherwort.
Jump in the portal with me.
Put this netherwort down.
Satchel,
Yeah?
jump in that portal.
Which way do you guys go?
This portal?
No, that's not a portal. This. See this purple mystical looking thing?
Purple mystical, yeah.
Jump in it. And stand in there. No.
Yeah, Satchel?
Jump.
No one touch that.
Stand still. There you go. Alright, you're in the nether.
Hi, Satchel. Oh. Diamonds. Oh my god, no way, I found diamonds again. Holy shit.
I'm thinking attic for the enchantment table.
We getting giant penis. If we all commit to mining diamonds, we could get it pretty easy.
We're not, we're gonna die.
We're gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
No! Save him!
Save him!
I can't.
Send that.
Box yourself in right now, do it.
I am.
You have half a heart. Shit, no. I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
Keep falling out your mouth. It's sweet talk. Newspaper,